Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rifka Anissa. I student at Cyber Asia University, majoring in accounting from class AK 102. And for this final semester exam assignment, I will choose the time perspective of boomer, ex-millennial, or Gen Z in the workplace and everyday life. General explanation of the time. This time focus on how each generation, baby boomer, Gen X, millennial, and Gen Z, is pervasive in the workplace and in everyday life. This perspective encompasses various aspects, including stereotype, simplistic and often negativity general views about the characteristic of a general group. For example, baby boomer are considered old-fashioned, millennial are seen as entitled, and Gen Z is perceived as individualistic. The expectation associated with each generation, but in the term of performance, work, ethnic, and lifestyle. For example, baby boomers are expected to have high loyalty, millennials are expected to be innovative, and Gen Z is expected to be adaptable. Value, the principles that are considered important by each generation. For example, Gen X value independence, millennial value work-life balance, and Gen Z value diversity. Lifestyle, how each generation live their daily life, including preference in work, communication, social interaction, and leisure activity. Background, generational difference are an interesting topic because each generation grow and develop in different social, culture, and technological contexts. Important events such as World War, technology advancement, and change in society value have shaped the characteristic and view of each generation. Discussion objective by understanding this time it is hope that you can identify stereotype and common perception about each generation, and then you can understand the difference in values, expectation, and lifestyle between generation. You can analyze the impact of generation difference in the context of the workplace and everyday life, and then you can develop strategies to overcome challenge and leverage the potential of intergenerational collaboration. Hopefully, this generation explanation provide a comprehensive understanding of the time perspective of boomer, X, millennial, and Gen Z in the workplace and everyday life. Reason for choosing the time, there are several strong reasons why the time perspective of boomer, X, millennial, and Gen Z in the workplace and everyday life is important to interesting to explore. Relevance in the modern era. This issue of generation difference is increasing pro prominent as the workforce and social interaction become more diverse. Understanding the dynamic between generation is crucial for building solid team, inclusive work environment, and harmonization social relationship. Impact on the work, difference in values, communication style, and expectation between generation can affect productivity productivity, collaboration, and even employer retention. Understanding the perception of each generation help company create effectivity, hire management strategy, and attract talent from various age group. Influence on social interaction. Perception about generation also affect how we interact in everyday life. Stereotype and prejudice can hinder effectivity, communication, and trigger conflict. Studying this time help us our mind and build better relation with people from different generation. And then social and technological change. Rapid technological advance and social change have shaped the characteristic and value of each generation differently. Understanding this difference help us understand how society is changed and how we can adapt to this change. Minimize conflict, maximize potential. By understanding the perspective of each generation, we can identify potential conflict and find constructive solution. In addition, we can also harness the unique strength of each generation to achieve common goals. Cross-generational collaboration can create extraordinary innovation and creativity. Building communication bridge. This time encourages to us look beyond stereotype and prejudice by understanding the perspective in each generation. We can build better communication bridge and create a more inclusive and tolerant environment. Self-development. Understanding general difference is also part of self-development by recognize how our generation is pervasive. We can better understand ourselves and other. This help us become more open, adaptable, and broad-minded individuals. In short, the time perspective of Boomer, Gen X, Millennial, and Gen Z is very relevant because two thoughts various aspects our life, from the world of work to social interaction. Understanding is the key to building better relationship, creating a more inclusive environment, and achieving mutual success. Case and challenge relate to the time. Let's discuss some case explain and challenge relate to the time perception of boomer, X, millennial, and Gen Z in the workplace and everyday life. Case example, stereotype in the workplace. A millennial employee has innovative ideas to improve work efficiency. However, his ideas are not appreciated by older colleagues, Boomer or Gen X, because they are considered too young or inexperienced. Difference in communication style. A manager from Generation X preferred face-to-face communication or communication via email. Meanwhile, his team members, who are dominated by Gen Z, are more active in communication through instant message application. This can lead to miscommunication and a lack of coordination. Conflict and values. Generation Z employee is very concerned about environmental and social issue. He feels frustrated about because the company he works for does not have strong commitment to sustainability. This can lead to conflict of value and affect work motivation. Leadership challenge. A millennial team leader face challenge in leading a team consider of member from various generation. He needs to understand the different value and work style of each team member to create a productivity and harmonious work environment. Challenge strong and produce excessive the stereotype about each generation can hinder collaboration and create prejudice in the workplace and in everyday social interaction. Different in work style, different in preference in working, communication, and completing tasks can cause friction between generations. Technology gap, different level of understanding and use technology between generation can create gap in workflow and communication. Different in value and priority, different in the values upheld by each generation, can affect work motivation, loyalty, and expectation of life. Lack of understanding, lack of understanding of the characteristic and needs is each generation can hinder effective communication and teamwork. Overcoming challenge, open dialogue, encourage dialogue and discuss between generation to understand each other perspective. Flexibility, create the flexibility work environment that accommodate different needs and preference. Mentorship program can help young generation learn from more experienced generation and vice versa. Training, conduct training and generational difference and how to build effectivity communication. Teamwork, both team there are difference in age and background to utilize the strength of each generation. By understand the case, explain and excellence associated with generation difference, we can take proactive steps to create a more inclusive, harmonious, and productive work and social environment. Preference or personal opinion. In my opinion, it is important not to generalize each individual based on their generation, although these are general tendencies or characteristics associated with each generation. Each person has unique experience, value, and preference that do not always meet existing stereotypes. I believe that generation difference should not be a barrier, but rather an opportunity to learn from the complete each other. Each generation has value, advantages, and preferences that can enrich the work environment and social interaction. And then solution to overcome the challenge associated with general difference. There are some solutions that can be considered. Open dialogue, flexibility, mentorship and coaching, training and development, teamwork, avoiding stereotype, inclusive leader. And then conclusion, generational difference are necessity. Interest of seeing a problem. Let's see is opportunity to learn, grow, and create a better environment by understanding and respecting indifferent. We can build strong relationship, more productivity team, and more inclusive society. It is important to remember that these solutions are not only appreciated to the workplace, but also everyday life. By applying this principle in our daily interaction, we can create a more harmonious and understanding world. Thank you, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.